Let's start with chapter number 11, 3D printing. So in this chapter, I will tell you about what is 3D printing and history of 3D printing and different application and method. So let's start with introduction. Let's start a remarkable journey into the world of 3D printing. We are proud to be a part of this technological marvel. And remember, with computer science driving innovation, the possibilities of 3D printing are endless. So what is 3D printing? It is also known as additive manufacturing, developed by MIT, that is Manchester Institute of Technology, in 1980. It is the process of making physical object from a digital model. It works by using simple machine that is called 3D printer. It adds layer to the material on the top, and to create the 3D printed object, in this process an object is created by laying out successive layers of material until the object is created. So we have different engineers and designers who use special computer-aided design software, and these are the software like AutoCAD. Like engineers and designers, they use special computer-aided design software like we have AutoCAD, Fusion 360, SketchUp to create detailed 3D model. These helps them to measure things exactly, that estimate how things will work and even work together on designs in real time. It will help to bridge the gap between images and ideas. Then we have slicing and design model, which is the next step. 3D model are sliced into thin layer. Using smart computer programs, we call slicing algorithm. So these algorithms are created by computer scientists to instruct the printer how to create the object and how quickly it should be printed and how much material we can use. So these are some durable finished product, and these algorithms instruct the printer on how to properly construct each layer. Then computer sciences work with material experts. They are work with the material experts and they develop special 3D printing material, which is durable, weather resistant, and it is also suitable for us. So we can say once the algorithm and material are loaded into the printer, the printing starts and the printer reads the computer code and begins to build a object. So it depends upon the size and complexity and the material use. Printer movements, temperature, material deposition, they all are. Who controls them? Your computer system. Next is your history. So sci-fi author Arthur C. Clarke was the first to describe basic functions of 3D printer back in 1964. It was released in 1987 by Chuckle of 3D System, and it was made using the stereolithography process in 1990 and 2000. And 3D printing technology were released, including FDM by Strate's system. And these printers, they were expensive and were mainly used for industrial prototyping in 2009. An ASTM committee was published a document which contained standard terminology of additive manufacturing. According to Buller, adaptation of 3D printing, they keeps on growing day by day. Then study about the application, we have medicine. So in medicine, we range from bioprinting, where material like cells and growth factors, they are fused to create structures through medical device like custom prosthetic limbs. Surgeon use 3D printed models to plan and practice complex surgery. With the help of this, they create a model of the disease like dental implements and even human organs implantation. Then we have aerospace and automotive industry. So for that also, lightweight and complex parts of aeroplanes and cars, such as engines, components and fuel nozzles, they are made by using this 3D print. Next is architecture. They use a different method from which they print full-scale building in a 3D form. Now food. Advances in science of 3D food printing have enabled researchers to print novel foods in unique shapes and with unique texture, like we have chocolates, sculptures and personalized pasta. Next is consumer products. The consumer goods industry has long seen the benefit of 3D printing in product design development. for the unique products like we have jewelry, phone cases, and even shoes. So the jewelry makers, they use 3D printing to design innovative jewelry design. This makes customized design and show them to user. Next is educational institutes. In schools and for other educational purposes, it is used to teach the students by using better technology and to create prototype without tooling and extensive work. Next is your construction industry. It is used to create a model house, bridge, and so on. So 3D printing, it is used to create products, fixtures, and the tools in manufacturing industry. Then we have robotics. So 3D printing is one of the robotic application, automates most tedious and repetitive tasks of cost cutting and improving turnaround time by creating customized robotics, which is a difficult to secure. Then method of 3D printing. We have blind printer, multi-jet modeling, fuse depositing, direct printing, direct metal laser printing, photopolymerization and electron beam printing. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.